Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can be able to change your YouTube channel name. The channel name is the words that usually appear at the top of the subscriber line. So you find the subscriber line here, but the words that appear at the top of that is what we call the YouTube channel name. So at the top right hand corner, we're going to click on your name just here and then switch to YouTube Studio. And then when you click on YouTube Studio, it's just going to bring you here. Inside YouTube Studio, just scroll down to and find Customize. After clicking on the Customize, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to find the channel customization. So we have layout, branding, and basic info. These are the words, the tabs that are available at the time of this recording. So we're going to click on basic info, which is just here. And then here you find the name where you can be able to change it. So make sure that you understand that YouTube can only allow you to change your channel name twice in 14 days. So just going to come here and change this name. Let me just call it blog. And then I might also want to change the channel handle. So I can still come here and then make this, for example, give it a name, like for example 3. So you might find that YouTube makes this green so that it's only unique to you, and then you're just going to come here and click on publish, and that's how you're able to change your YouTube channel name. Thank you.